Alright, if you are here for the first time, remember to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you guys can be notified when we upload brand new content. We are at 50,000 subscribers and I want to say thank you to everybody that has been following the channel and have been supporting us. Alright, so a quick notification for you guys. This video that you're about to watch, we have two parts, part 1 and part 2. We're going to put part 1 on Richard Brown Films and part 2 will be put on our brand new channel, Jamaican. Now you're going to want to watch the entire film, so you have to head over to that channel and watch the entire video. Alright? Also, when you head over there, please, we want to make sure that channel start booming right away. So remember, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when we upload new content. We'll be uploading content on Richard Brown Films and we'll be uploading content on Jamaican. Alright? Bless upon yourself and thank you very much.
You're the type of boy that every girl wants to meet. But what the hell I'm for the house when you start with them in the streets? My youth, you're dangerous. Why you dealing with the girl I'm so rough? Oh no. Hey, why you're dangerous? Why you dealing with them girl I'm so rough? Oh no.
Where I go? How you go?
Me tired of you, me done. Me a go
Where talk
about
about
my business.
Let's talk about tired of me.
Make me go on now.
Yo.
Me tired of you, you beating on them, something them. Me tired.
Yo.
Put me down, make me go on about my business. Leave me alone, make me go on now.
So where you go?
Down the road, me I go. Me see you look more.
So for have a name?
Yo, relax yourself. If me say me soon come, me soon fall.
Sit down!
Let me go on about my business.
Sit up! You don't go nowhere. You tell me about a ramp with me, you know. Don't ramp, yo. Me a chat to you, look at them face. I chat to you, look at me. Don't ramp with me. Boy, yeah. See, little girl. Go ramp with man. Yo.
Brother,
Yo.
my pre.
You know somebody else's?
They do. They just say fear be a come good on it, right, Mago?
Why I even know you know?
You don't know.
No, so.
Nah, tell a lesson, I have one pretty face, but I'm not trust I have one devious, so can you know go away?
No man. I think so man. Looks are deceiving more than one nice girl.
That's true, so you know why you get it twisted me a judge man, but you know I'm just see my pass and a school, I just he really man just know me no know if he must help us me I come see, but it's him just say me a pass by and say me I come get a link and see.
Oh, I want nice girl still man, so no make her looks fool you.
I never try with that still because up the road I go see me can get a piece of food and you see me so
yeah,
me see you later.
Alright, look more.
Yeah man.
Hey, why you're dangerous? Why you dealing with them girl I'm so tough? Oh no. Hey, I see you sting like a bee, but you flow like a butterfly. First part relationship, I used to tell myself that there couldn't be a better guy. Now I'm about to take a flight. I'm so
Good morning, Crystal.
Good morning.
You know, I don't usually meet persons outside of the office, but you sounded very worried on the phone. What is going on?
Me can't bother, me tired of him, like, me can't go nowhere, he just lock me down in the house. The last time me come to your office, he feel like so he might follow me, like, he might watch me or something. See a young girl, me no fear go through so much.
Alright. Okay, hear what? Where you think he is now? He's gone to work? He's...
Even if he gonna work, he said people will look for me, pay them. That's how bad it is.
Alright, here's what you're gonna have to do. I'm gonna give you the number for a women's center, and you're gonna give them a call, and they'll put you somewhere to stay for a couple of days or something. But you have to pack up your things and you have to leave when he's not there. I'll come and pick you up. We'll rent a car or rent a taxi, and I'll come and pick you up so you can get out of the lane safe. We're gonna make sure we get through this, alright?
I must joke thing this. How can I pack up thing I go on here, sir?
It done. It over. Just done with this.
Me no comprehend them words there, no. Cause I'm me say when this done, you know. And right now, me say you need to put down the bag over one
Listen,
corner.
man. Just
You need
done.
to put down the bag there
So
right now.
We are trying.
Right now, I'm badness.
What you do?
A badness. Give me the bag, yeah. Give me. A badness.
Done, man.
Okay, a badness, yeah, push. Alright. Okay. Since a badness, yeah, push, yeah? Since a badness, yeah, push. One pack. Yo, bad bro. Me want you and bad dog come lick me down in my yard right now. The boy in my place after me take him up, you know, and spend all kind of money on him, you know, buy him clothes and shoes and thing. Right now, boy, disrespect me. I tell me say fine woman, and I left him one if he left me.
Yo, it's when there.
The right round there in our house.
Stay right here, son.
Yo, I want to
Yo, sis. Everything done. Me go send bad dog with can go around and granny go put him on him granny tree, you know. He make him look like a stress. Cause you know, when man stress, they hang themselves.
Alright.
You see, next time don't take up no man and mind them. I know so we grow you.
So me I feel love you, you know, my brother. You always take care of me, so give thanks. Give thanks, bad dog. Right now, me I go in there and give him to kick and spit on him, you know.
So, how you have to kick that man? Why can you kick him when he's alive?
Dead or alive, him I get kicked. Right now.
I'm going to tell you for my family them.
Good evening. Thank you for tuning in to Jamaican TV. I am Tracy and Blair, and these are our news and reviews. There was a march today in downtown Kingston with multiple women carrying banners with the words, "End violence against women." This is stemming from numerous attacks and deaths of women in Jamaica. Recently, Kenise West was brutally murdered by her male companion who took her to and from work. Her death has left her family and all of Jamaica in mourning. We are appealing to the men in Jamaica and in the rest of the world to end the violence against our women. On the 6th of April, a man was found hanging in his grandmother's backyard. When the family was questioned, the news team got the information that the man was experiencing distress and contemplated suicide before his untimely demise. The gentleman was identified as Mr. Michael Blacks of Negril, Westmoreland. And now for our feedback question. Do you think that the given curfew measures by our Prime Minister, Mr. Andrew Holness, is effective? Thank you again for tuning in. I am your host, Tracy and Blair. Have a blessed evening.
That every man wants to know Ellen powder off when them really get to know your young girl, you dangerous. Why you deal with eyes so rough? Girl, you're dangerous. God, girl, you're too dangerous. I give love and you gave hate in return. Next time I breathe a pretty girl, at least my lesson I will learn. Pretty face with
Why
the
pray
devil.
now, sis?
You know some day I go and hold it off bad bro. But I wanna go on with your case.
You know, say police about try hard for sink eye.
Boy. No, you not make that happen, no bad bro. So we just have to go and keep things silent and watch how you're walking in the streets, bro.
But it look like it's I as the only bad man in Jamaica. Make them up on my case. Me can't even step out of my doorway.
You say every corner is a police that are watching, man. But here what? We smarter than them. So whoever 10 steps ahead of them. So 2 twos, this are sort out, man. Just go and hold it off.
Yeah, man. But yeah, no, sister. I don't want to keep up the time when I come here. I want crime for your match. So, if anything, one phone call ahead.
Me call upon you, bad bro. Walk safe.
Yeah, look at this.
Tori.
What go on, Biba?
What?
There, no. Long time.
What go on?
Hi.
You want to follow back at me?
I'm coming in now. I'm coming in, man. Long time I don't see my sister now. What go on?
There, my girl.
Mm-hmm.
I'll show you a pre.
Is a
I tell you a pre.
Babe, I go to the car so I come back, yeah?
Alright, do it. You know, so I get a dream. Brother come to me in a dream and say, I want to kill him.
My ex. Your brother, you say you have a dream, bro.
Yeah,
say I
he
won't
come
kill
to
him.
me in my sleep. I'm going to wake up same time. Couldn't go back to sleep. You know.
I like how that the dream they sound. Sound like your brain are trying to trick you, you know. That's how it sounds to me, because you don't know what going on, we know what
Ask
going
my
on.
boyfriend, I get up in the house from about 3 o'clock and I can't go back to sleep. You see me? And them they have vision.
I don't understand how you come bring this to me when we all know what going on. Your brother kill himself. Your brother did stress out and him kill himself.
Nothing like that, man. Nothing like that.
I don't
He
think
come to me in my sleep, you know.
So what Uno did there? This is my man, you know. I did my man when me did love so much. When me and him live together, him man did stress out. Me I tell you, the man stress out to the point when not even me him a chat to. And then he go out and the man kill himself. And he come here and tell me about dream. No, sir, I disrespect that.
So no matter about no stress and heart and comfort over here, you know. Uno kill off him man and this now go so. You see me?
Yeah, we have to go come out of my place right now.
And I can't do to it. Well, you know, any so and he now go so. You see me?
Alright, yes, it's any now. I have to come out of my place right
Me
now.
come out, you know, but remember me tell you say now go say you know somebody I could dead back you know.
Dead back?
You see me?
Hey, your brother kill himself, you
My
know.
brother kill himself.
But if a badness you know a push,
No push no
what
body for
happen
me.
badness? Yo, me the best thing what happened to your brother. When me meet him, me hold on and turn on back on him. And then me pick him up and make him look how him look. Make sure say him look good and stay good and everything. And now you can accuse me of killing him. Go on, come out of my place.
Me now come out till me get the truth, you know. So I want to see how this go with there, you know.
Only the truth
I
here,
go with there, you know.
and your brother kill yourself. I have to go. Come out.
Yes, Farah, thanks to me to on such short notice, my boss. We have one serious matter for you to deal with.
Yeah, man.
I never follow up all the details, but my girlfriend, I know, so. And just give me a rundown of what happened.
Where's the real go on, mommy?
You know, say what one there again. Just want you take care of one little matter for me, you see me?
What
You
kind of
see me?
matter?
When you go in for a girl for me not like I tell you what you think when you go in for a girl now undercover way for me just to find out the truth how I go on, you see me? She my brother there ling my brother drop out but you might tell say she do it, you see me, because I want to rough tuggy girl, so you have to even be careful too. You see me? So you want you do when you go in as in into local business with her.
You talk about things a while ago, I don't understand what you say. Are you general?
Yeah, so probably shake up because of everything that happened, but you can't get a little rundown of what happened. So, for your brother girlfriend, right? We suspect. See, we have serious evidence, but I guess that's not important to you. You see me? And money is not a problem. I have to understand, so money is not a problem. So, whatever you charge, pay the money. I want to go in and find out the truth. What I want more than anything is a confession. Understand? Because we know say she do it money. We don't know what kind of strategy you use to go and go the way you do. Alright? So we have and then she even get one dream. As a matter of fact, tell her. How do you go up there now? We go up there.
Tell him. Tell him.
Tell him.
Oh, so I go up there and go link her. See me and I say to her, say, yes, I get a dream, my brother come to me. A dream and she say Ray and she start even push badness to me.
So the whole, me I get pizza piece and a match up. So alright then. where you say your brother, girlfriend kill your brother, right? And you want me there with the girl, right? And you want me there with the girl to get the confession. With her.
Yeah, General, as soon as you get in a relationship and you have the house under control, my profession have to plan to bug them at the place. So as soon as I get control of the house, I can come in and wire up the place so we can get all the record and what them I say, alright? So, yeah man.
Oh, that's easy, man. So, what a step forward with it. You know what I mean? Because it's a very tricky situation, you know, because people always tend to say, I demand the most of the killing, but some of the time the woman is dangerous too, you know.
Take it for granted. Good man, not getting what you wanted. If you were mine, I'd be around all the time. Dash out the stress and spend some quality time. Me not lie, me love the way your body design. Run with the boy where you waste your time. If you were mine, I'd be around all the time. Dash out the stress and spend some quality time. Me not lie, me love the way your body design. Run with the boy where you waste your time. In this crazy world, no things are one. You keep on getting hurt and keep holding on. But them things you are one.
Hello, good day.
Hello.
I deliver some things to some people in here, so I don't know what part the person live because I'm just not good with the information. You know what I mean? So them some house on the lane, none umbrellas coming from the Cashback lane and take the red right turn, you know. So I end up here so I ask if you know Susan, the short brown girl.
Susan used to live here, but she doesn't live here anymore. Is there anything I can help you with?
Well, but that's why I know say a right place me stay. But apart from that, why you not do so much work?
I mean, one live here and me wanna feel pull it off.
So why you alone here?
No, I'm the boyfriend right now, you know?
I don't believe that.
Looking in a way.
You don't
So
believe
you
that?
say?
You look too nice now, no man though.
No, I'm the man right now, honestly.
Why can I no man?
Single by choice, right person just not come along here.
So you have an idea what the right person I look like? I look like me?
But like a nice little Rasta vibe still in a but I'll take a little more than a sweet talking for get in here, so you know.
But it's kind of dangerous. I don't really like pretty girl, you know. Because pretty girl get a problem, you know what I mean?
A long time I'm not going nowhere. It's nice. We could do this more often.
Yeah, the energy is nice, the day feel nice, you know? If we do this more often, it's nice. Because we not really see much. What?
Girl, just because me have fully for work, you know how it go.
I wish me did know how it go. I kind of stress out about that a little bit. Nothing much not really go on. I'm the one if we can talk about that, you know? So if we link up more often.
We're gonna do it, man. We're definitely gonna do it. We have to enjoy ourselves. We're young, you know.
Yes, You know how long the bus reach?
Go half an hour. So it's fast. Go and look out.
Why you tell me I call the phone?
I'm going, babe.
What you do tell look how long me I call the phone?
My phone dead.
Eh?
My phone dead, man. From
My girl, come go here.
Wait, no, you can't drag me just like that. You know, see me out here with my friend.
Look at anything this.
My girl, straight at this.
Am I friend you talking
Give me a tell her.
Come to girl
Come.
here, so. Come.
Relation.
Wait, we'll call you later.
Set. You know, say me not like when I call the phone and you don't answer.
I know some phone dead from money. You know how charge the thing go already. Me tell you this.
Yo, just stop ramping me now, my girl.
When you go
Stop
home,
ramping me
when you
now.
go home, we talk about it. I don't feel the same. I heard about people that home. Come on.
You think me not on joke thing?
Me not joke.
When me I call the phone, don't make it even ring. Bro. I don't answer.
But the
Yeah,
phone
me tell
dead,
you.
the phone never ring on at all. The phone never ring on at all, and you know.
My girl, come.
Hello, baby, what's up?
What going, babe? So which way you there now?
Yeah, so I remember them going to deliver some items, some people. The one lady had to deliver furniture, something I know.
That don't sound too bad still, but I you made it one for say right now. Wait, so who that in your background fire?
And the person who had to deliver the thing for her.
So we can have the conversation and then you go back to she why she in your background up so.
No, I said I deliver for her, but you have a thing what you call it. Yeah. Oh, I feel nice. Listen, this one.
What if I feel nice? What did
I said I deliver.
anything I say fire? Anything I say? How I really just want. Me and him have to have a chat right now.
Yeah, Sean, what? Everything alright? Remember, our conversation kind of get cut earlier, so you alright now? Yeah, man, you always say you're good. As long as it's okay, though. Alright. But what me really call about still is the boy Fire. You see, after you gone, me call him, and I ask him which part him there, cause me want to see him. And me I hear him say I do some deliveries. Say I work and I drop off some things. But then me hear a woman in the background. She won't stop talk. Every minute as him talk, me I hear she say something. And then me hear she say something like, how it tough and how it feel good. So like she say, how him so tough. But me know say there's possibly an explanation, yes. But me never like how that sound, none at all. Right now I'm mad, you know. Mad, Shana. Machete me having on my hand right now. I wait for him. Right now. Yes, sometimes me get a little upset, but me never like how that sound. Alright. May I listen to you this one time? Maybe there's a... Yes, may I make him explain himself. May I make him explain himself before me do anything rash. Alright, may I go calm down. Alright, me call him back later.
Come in, Fire.
Sorry, baby.
Come in.
The door locked.
That's why you have to bring a key in a Fire.
Yeah, I'm up on the work phone.
So I'm going to tell you, you did kind of there a wet one still.
Yeah, you could
I don't want to talk about that phone call that happened today. Never too like how it go down still now. Cause me I call you and we a talk, but then me I hear somebody up in your background. What was that about?
We are deliver some things for a female, for a sister, and when the carry thing go out the doorway, you know, she have to open the door. Because a big door and the thing where you're carrying heavy. So she have to open the door. One of me use and hold the thing and answer your phone same time. Just because of you. If the boss call me, I don't answer.
Yeah, so she did that close to you.
Yeah, because she open the door, I go through the door because I hold the door because the door swing. You know what I mean?
So you should have said tough or the thing.
So, don't, what you talk about? Because I talk to you today, I tell you, I do some work. I'm say hang up my phone, but I understand why you hang up the phone. I don't get me in call the box still.
First of all, Fire, me talk to you on the phone. And me I hear somebody up in the background.
No, because you know, somebody else make something go, so them in the house might open the door because I'm carrying something. So you know, yeah, if somebody carry something in the house, you know, open the door for them.
So how you do all of that plus answer phone?
No, because I hold the banana and me alone work. One me work on the truck. And me alone work.
Alright, me hear what you say.
And me alone work, I'm not for work. I'm there with company, we can never come company today. You couldn't come.
We did have to link up with Shan. Remember, a long time me and Shan link up. And that was very important.
Yeah, but it would have good if I see you today, I could have on the road today.
I should have company work still. And we do that tomorrow or next day soon. But we did have to link up with her. And you know, I have something to tell about that though too. Me and her did after we go a little shopping and then at the beach park, we have a little walk and sit down. Everything nice. Our boyfriend walk up. And him just walk up with this aggression. No greetings, nothing. And just ask her how him not get to her. And she say her phone dead. And he basically just haul her up, you know. And instead of him trying to talk to her about the situation, him just basically pick her up and drag her out. Me not like how that look at all either. So that did up on my mind too. I call her before and she said she alright still, so that's for them business. So.
But always have to say still a friend, but she make her choice, you know. And she choose the guy who she want deal with, you know. So find a fair choice that.
That's for them business still, as you say.
So I just say there now. First you go do, you cook you know.
Me I go mash down some yam and some banana and some bean stew, and the two we can match that up for 9 item.
Alright, so.
What you say about that?
Yeah, man, because I kind of tell you, so them beat me out to the bad, because I want something to move to the normal.
Well?
Plus the sun went well hot to you see.
As long as you say I saw it go, then I saw it go now.
Yeah, man, I saw it go, man. Then I pour yourself about nothing, you see it?
Well, as long as you explain yourself still, that's the main thing.
Alright, so.
You have to explain yourself to me.
Come on for the 12, so I hold a shower. You can drive in the shower?
Probably makes me feel like it. I go match up the food right now. First thing still, so.
I'll get myself ready. Yeah, man, cook some food then. Maybe hold a shower.
May do that.
Good morning, Kelly.
Good morning, Miss Shan.
How are you today?
It's a long story.
We just talk about it.
Didn't even know how to start.
Take off the attire, let me see.
It's not a good look at all. You sure?
Yes, let me see. Oh my gosh, Kelly. What happened?
It's like I tell myself to do something and we just never attend to it at the moment because I have me here for do and stuff.
And just because I just got next door, I go do my hair. Didn't even finish. I go over and just start beaming. Constantly.
This has happened before? Why are you staying in a relationship like this?
No matter how I try to leave, you always find me.
Have you ever tried contacting the police?
Many times. But he have links in the police force, and to top it off, to make matters even worse, he's a cheater. It's like he want us, he just carrying random girls, and as he squeeze their head, their foot fly up in like clothespin, and if you just sit there and watch that, and we must wash, cook and clean every day, and then he beats me constantly. Just can't take it no more.
Alright, it's alright. Let me get you some water to come.
Alright, cut.
I just don't know what else to do. Honestly. Try to find a solution, and that's why I'm here. I don't know what to do. I really don't know what else to do. And the funniest part is, I don't even know why I love him so much. That's why I'm still there. I fight it through. You understand? But I ask God plenty of times to just help me out of all of this. And all I can do is just cry. You know?
But you know, this is not what love is. I think something happened that triggered this behavior in him. Or do you think he was like this all along?
It wasn't. It's like at the first time everything was okay. And all of a sudden, since he changed, like he was doing plumbing work and then left from that, I guess. Not doing anything at home at the moment. And there came the problem. That was everything happened.
Okay. Okay. You see, a lot of the times we feel like we have no choice or there's nothing else that we can do. But there's always someone who can help us. There's always something that we can do. I'm going to give you the number for the women's shelter in Jamaica. They provide assistance to women who are being raped, women in domestic crisis, who are being sexually harassed at work, women who are being human trafficked, and their children, women and their children on a home. You can contact them and they'll assist you.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. You don't even know what you have done for me right now.
If it is that you don't want to go to the women's center, there are other things that we can do. This is...
Come here.
That's what I'm coming.
No.
I'm coming. Can only give me a minute?
Okay.
I'll be right back. In the middle of my session, what that for?
What should I do here?
Me work from home now. Me tell us that the office I renovate, so in the meantime, me gotta work from here, so.
Sean, I tell us something on a body at my place, right? Get her out of the place. Get her out here now.
Alton, I work, and you not do nothing to pay the bills, them, you know. And me are the one who do everything here, so. And you gonna tell myself to take her out of my house?
Get her out of the place now on a ramp.
Alright.
Get her out now.
Alright. Kelani, I'm so sorry about that, but we're gonna have to pick up the session next week, alright?
Okay.
Come on, and don't worry about it. Remember, we're women and we're beautiful and we're strong. We can get through all of it. Alright, and I'm so glad that you came to me to talk. We'll definitely pick it up again next week.
Alright.
Alright, Kelani. So next week.
Yeah. Yeah, man, it tastes good, ma'am. Yeah, man. No, I'm gonna say alright, you know. But she could have soon forward now still, so I'm there go with the type said speech so she reach in, you know. I'll tell her later that you say hi, you know what I mean? Alright, man. Alright.
I'll fall asleep. Babes, fire, wake up there. It's so late. We even did get to call you from earlier. Everything happened so fast. We even did get to tell you what happened. What? You alright?
Yeah, man, I'm come off for the work same speed still. I'm gonna come home, man. I forgot to say the summer still, because we try to ring the phone and realize so you know go through, so, you know. I'm there all the time. But we got something I feel said speed said, you know.
Thank you so much for your food, because I'm so hungry. They're on the road all day. We didn't even get to grab a bite. So, thank you. Steamed fish and thing.
Where you gonna be though?
Today, Sean called me quick and fast and say police call her and say her sister they in a lockup. She fi come bail her. So, and I tell me where I get the recipe from.
No, my sister cook. I'm tell her say yo. I didn't plan to cook today because I come off the road late, so I start then.
Which sister that? You must mean Jai.
No, I'm not Jai, I'm Jais.
Jais.
You know, have a little problem. I think I know over that by now, because I'm not big people now. For look at something that I've done it a long time, you know what I mean?
Sean! Jesse, come. Come in, the door open.
Open, girl.
There. What going?
There, me and Barry at the same night car. So we are going to club. Me come ask if you come. You come?
Girl, I'm just there. Even be a date. For me come in, I just want to think about some things that I have to do, you know?
No, you look so.
I'm just there, I think, man.
I think, come on.
I have a whole heap of things for my mind and I have a whole heap of work on my plate, you know? Just I think. Mine, man.
Work and you look out of Wonderland. You sure I work?
I work, man. What do you mean?
Sure you not hide something from me, Sean?
Like what, so I'm gonna hide from you? I'm not hiding
This is
nothing
not
from
you,
man.
my sister. You never change your no beard, no. This is not you. Something wrong. What you there worry about? Sean, look for me. Tell me, what go on?
Nothing not go on, what you mean?
You sure not something I hide?
Something like what?
I know. I know sometimes I hear people so up. If Malik, if you talk to me, you know.
What do you mean by a lick girl? None of man look like him can crush ants much like me.
Crush ants, so my time we take them lightly or fat for no. But if I'm not saying, but this is not you, you're my sister, I know you. Come on.
Are you what the therapist are me? Me say him nah lick me. Him nah lick me, nothing like that now go on here so.
You see, if him a lick you, mother want you to ball out. When I mean ball out, I want you to ball out. You know you live around people, me don't want you keep nothing. Me don't want him to lick you. And you do like say, if you ball out, him a go ball out so somebody can help you.
He not lick me, man. He might be a little rough sometimes, but he not lick me. We're good. We're alright.
So you go bathe and thing?
Yeah, man, we go bathe and eat some food.
You don't eat yet? Something wrong.
Everything good. Everything nice.
Me and Barry I go on the club, so you know, so we have to go get the local group thing on, so.
Alright, enjoy yourself.
Yeah, and remember me tell you, know. Remember me tell you. Ball out. What me say if you do? What me say if you do?
We don't need to ball out.
Alright.
Alright.
Yeah.
See, advice where you look a giant sister give you try to rub that out of your mind. You hear me tell her?
What kind of advice?
You see, why you think me not hear when you look a giant sister in your chat say?
What we in
But
here
ball
say?
out, ball out, ball out.
Alton, big and serious now. I've been a therapist for a good while now, couple of years, and I've been giving people advice. And you're not my daddy, you know, you're not supposed to be hitting me.
What? Yo, come in our room.
No, me not coming in no room. Me sleep right here so tonight.
My girl, stop with the foolishness and come in our room. No. Well, you want me to jog you in there? I jog you want me to jog you by your foot in our room? Here? Let go. Let go. Let go. Yo, stop.
I sit down, babe. I'm not gonna sleep, yeah, man.
I'm not sleeping time right now, Fire.
After you just stopped me a while ago, you really want something?
Me just hurt you a while ago.
A while ago when I stopped you know, you could have stopped something different.
But me didn't know me at aim. Me didn't know me at aim, so no more I feel love you.
Oh yes, you just stopped me in a smile, so.
Because it's time for this now, Fire. Time for this. Remember say, I want to use this in a camera ready for no picnic yet, but a time to love. Come on. Look, Fire. Might just hurt you.
You just stabbed me a while ago and really. I think about sex.
Because you come give me food from your sister, you know how that go. You know how that goes. So make it too old forget about that. And just make a little love right now.
Hello?
Good evening. This is Constable Lawrence from the Barton Police Station. Am I speaking with Ashan?
Yes, this is her.
Right. Are you familiar with Jessie Allison?
Yes.
Right. We have her here at the station in custody for assault, and we're asking you to visit the station so you can bail her. She gave you as a contact, so we're asking you to, as a matter of fact, on your way here, because you know the station is
Which station?
Is off the grid in some sense. So you can stop at whatever.
Which station should I? What station?
Are you hearing me?
Whatever station is convenient to me. What happened? What she do?
Get a bail as form because you need documentation.
What she do? What happened? Give me some more information, officer.
So she has been involved in some assault, right? And we're trying to get bail for her.
Assault. Alright. So if we just go at any station and...
So you can visit any station, but you will have to come here because here is where she is. So
where is here? Where is here?
Bail as form so you can bail her, right?
Where is here? What station is she at?
As I would have mentioned before, the Bartown Police Station. I'm Constable Clark from the Bartown Police Station.
Baritown. Baritown in a Montego Bay?
That's right, ma'am.
Alright. I'm coming down there right now.
Alright, very well.
Alright.
Thank you for your time.
Alright. Tori, you have to go follow me to Montego Bay. Right now, just to get locked up down my station. Alright.
Sean! 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 Babes, don't go again. Come. I'm tired, man. Come on. Come where Come. Come tell me what happened now. How comes you reach all the way to Baritown?
It's like I just an instinct and tell me it's something not right. Because you know like when something gonna happen, this feeling just there over you. You know? It's like about 15 minutes after me get a call. It's a Barry there up at Baritown. With girl, you know? With girl. Eh? Then if you up there with girl, where me for?
You know, say the woman was a police woman. You know, say a whole heap of strings me have pulled to get it out a while ago. So quick too.
Why, sister?
Me tired of do this, man. How much time now me have to come bail it out from jail here so and over there so?
Why, sister, me tired of it to them a little couple time I'm going in and nice and all it they want lick me, you know. All it they want to lick me, you know, me not for sure I want police, woman. But as I say, me never know, because I come close steer up. Me and I depend on one piece of fighting, you know. I never know so one policeman. But anyway, sure me have to defend my mind, come on, man.
So you don't know what go on, you just get a call here, say him and woman up there, you gone up there in a war with policeman.
Obviously when me reach at the position of me see them in, I'm gonna have to fight. Me not say me right for do what me do, you know. But you know sometimes some things unexpected way you never did that think. You understand? So right now me I tell you the truth, me don't even know. Me just regret everything after I put the children something me assist. I swear. Cause me know you maybe have all fear one a problem and you fearing up and none back of me and something.
It's alright, we work it out.
So sis, where you finding the big top shot friend from?
No worry yourself about it, man.
Jesus
Don't worry about
Christ.
it.
You have legs, you know?
Come here.
They come. Listen, come. Babe.
You know, you may tell us about nobody on the yard. Eh? Tell her to go down there. No. No, come back out there.
Sis.
So I did say no, sis. Me say.
Hey, what happened? We have to talk about it tomorrow. When you get some money and you go stay in one of them hotels up there, so.
Awa.
It's alright, man. We talk about it. We talk about all that tomorrow, but
so me not
you go and stay down at the hotel tonight. You know, you remember say me and my man a try make a baby, you know, so.
Sure. So of course, mommy niece and nephew, sure.
Say we go and stay down at the hotel and a man and me come check you and we
well,
talk
kind
about
of feel stressed though. I really want to talk to you, look.
Well, I guess we talk about it, man. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry about it. Come on. Get him. Alright, so tomorrow we talk about it.
Thanks, sis.
Alright.
You'll call them and reach up.
Alright, make sure. What happened?
Didn't I tell you that me no want nobody on me yard them time of night, yeah?
But I don't fear yard, babes. I feel yard.
Whether or not fear yard or for me yard. Didn't I tell you that me no want nobody at our yard?
But I'm my sister. And she just get arrested. You know what she got through, you know where she come from. I think she could have come and sleep on the couch at least. We have one big couch here, so nobody not sleep on it.
But you'd not even have a common courtesy if you call me today before you go where you go. And look at the time of night where you're coming in the place.
You know how I go with my phone. My battery dead. My battery dead.
I
couldn't call you.
You like to see me upset? And you not even have a common courtesy if you call me before you go up on the road. You're gone all the way to Montego Bay.
What else me did for do? The phone dead. The phone dead.
Shan, you could have get somebody phone and call me and make me know what's up. You have me here like some little boy. You think me a little boy?
I don't like borrow people's phone. Come on. I left you a note. You never read the note. I so left you a note and make you know so I go my bay.
Shan, don't make this happen again. You want to tell her?
The problem I have now is the female. I think it was a simple case. But I pull a stunt on her and the girl stabbed my foot before I even realize she go stab me. Because I pull a stunt on her beside then. Make somebody call her on her phone, like I'm a sister, and then cuss her off on top of it, so she's and her sister in a deal. Then my next somebody I call her as a good sister, so now two somebody I try to play with her meditation. And she don't like the sister, she don't like one of the sisters, so I say I should cook some food and tell her that the sister cook the food when she come. And when she don't eat, I tell her that, bam, it stab on my foot.
I did tell you still, you know. I did tell you say I want a rough girl still, you know.
the investigation are going good, but I received 1 and 2 injury.
Yeah.
So with them injury there, I think you go put on the bill.
Don't worry yourself, man. We have everything covered, man.
Yeah, man. So
Tell
you and your boyfriend you can sit down about it and I probably got thing on it, 10% more on it.
Pass me a parcel lane and decide so I come look for you and Jessie. So, how come I not see her?
She's not there, you know. You know, so she stay at one hotel last night. Pass the phone, give me the call.
Hotel? Hotel you put her over now?
Yeah, I couldn't make she sleep on the couch. After she just come out of prison, she have to get a nice, comfortable bed, man.
Okay.
I give her a call.
Alright.
And see what she do. Because she's supposed to come down.
Hey.
What going, sis?
Nothing there. What?
How you sleep last night?
Girl, my dad left from this place. So the place just dirty and much. I can't believe I really want to tell this, yo.
Alright.
I'm going to pay my money.
Alright, may I come for you, man. May I come for you. And I carry some clothes for you. You can't have nothing to wear either.
Not even clothes.
Alright. I soon come for you, man. I may put you up somewhere better tonight.
The people them last week, God almighty.
May I come for you, man? May I come for you, you know? Alright.
So, what kind of place you really put up your sister in herself? Make you say better to the hotel?
Me know some never go down there with her. I just give her the money and tell her so she can go on one hotel to stay. You know, she know a place and at first she come down here. I never miss like a hotel for her. Me put her up somewhere nicer tonight, man. Me make sure so she gets somewhere nice to stay.
Really and truly, you should have stay with you know. Really and truly. But
where she gonna stay with me?
No, right here, sir. She can
On
go
the
and
couch.
stay here, sir. What wrong with that?
Girl, I'm gonna stay there with her. My sister have to get somewhere nice to sleep.
She never get somewhere nice last night though. But alright. Anyways, may I come go home now?
Before you left, tell me what you think about this shirt. What do you think about this? You think that this can fit her?
It look like a small still, but it look nice. The pink nice.
She might look big, but she's small.
As
She
long
look
as it can
sexy.
fit. If it can fit, it look nice, man.
Alright. So me catch you later then, cause me gonna look for her.
Alright, and we have some things I want to do at home, so we'll link you later. Alright? See you.
John, no sis. How are you?
Yeah, I did it.
You come Bluetooth mode. How are you?
Well, go on.
Yeah, yo, the man just turn up and look at me. How are you, sir? In my sister house.
Yeah, man, I'm a woman, man. I'm not there now, man. Tell me if you're brother, I don't know how she talk still. You see it?
Alright. I only hope you take care of her, you know. Because you see me, you know, me not come down, so.
I want a good girl, man. I take care of her, you know.
Me I go down on the road. So you said my sister come and somebody pass through.
What do you say about that?
Me say I go down the road.
Yeah.
So when my sister come, tell her I say I did pass through.
Yeah, man, I see him do maximum.
Alright.
Yeah, man. What is it?
So it's like going down to now, sis?
Man, through the money nice enough, you know, so we can't rent or tell them the money there.
So which part you go?
One of them dugu shop, the one of them sex shop. And it come like one of the worst thing, girl, because you know, even though it's a sex shop, it's supposed to be decent, girl. It was a mess. A BSC men and something up on the bed. Like every night, then the people they do it. You see on the bed? Jesus Christ, you better make bunks back of your yard on the floor. The bed gone in a hole.
You want something to eat?
Yeah, girl, because right now I going last night. I didn't get nothing to buy if you eat some. Right now my belly there and my chipe.
I'm going to get some breakfast.
Alright.
Come here. I come. You soon come, sis.
Alright. You alright, sis?
Yes, sis. May I come?
You sure?
May I come, sis? May I come?
food eh. I think I food they say you deal with for me.
You know, so my name about the food. May I go get him? May I get him, man? May I go get him?
They say hungry man is a hungry man, you know.
Break on the beat, going crazy.
What you do, Sabaret? Wait, what you do? You feel like me a smart if you play with, don't it?
What you do?
What you do then,
Calm
so?
down yourself.
Look,
Calm
girl,
down.
move front of the way.
But we didn't come out here for this.
Yo, talk to your sister now. Talk to your sister, man.
What you mean
Me
by
no
talk to
want
your
you,
sister?
don't know
Come
what you
behind
start
me.
me for.
Yo, let me explain.
Watch it, man.
Wait. Put on your stone them. Put on your stone them.
Yo,
You are my bigger sister.
Put on
No,
your stone them.
move now, man.
Stone them now.
Let me explain. Let me explain and tell her what
I
I'm
bet you say me make me bury you this month. Move now, man. Move from out of the
Calm
way.
down and put on your stone them. I'm going to talk about
Move
it.
now, man.
Calm down.
Yo, just talk to your sister. You see how she aggressive. Just talk to her, man.
Calm down, man. Calm down. This is the same reason make you reach a police station in the beginning. Calm down.
Yeah, man. Talk to your sister. You see how she
talk about it. You stop in eyes. Stop in eyes.
You see how she aggressive. You see how she aggressive.
I'm going to talk about it. Calm down. Calm down, man. You going to lick me with the stone too? You plan to lick me down with the stone too?
Talk to her, man.
Come on.
Yo, babes, I love you, you know. Let me explain and tell you exactly what happened, man.
Me no need to hear no.
Me want to hear what happened.
Let me explain and tell you exactly what happened. It's like one of my brethren in get some ticket and she ticket him. But through me and she got to school together and he know. So he just link me and say, yo, if all a reason with her and see if she can deal with the ticket them for him. You see me? So I don't like to me and she in no relationship thing. But because you just love jump to conclusion.
Say you go to a man police.
You know, listen to me and say, I she me know. You see me?
Alright, nobody jump in and what I say. I want to hear what I say.
Yes, it's like that. You know, so me I don't like, so me I don't cheat on them thing. You see me? I just through that man Ray. You see me? I don't know big deal, babes.
Wait till I say catch him in a compromising position. How can I compromise in position?
Close. They went close.
Babe,
feel
you
like
know some me love you. You know some me love you, man.
Hear what me feel like say. A violence thing not work in a relationship, you know. It not work any at all. So if it is that you don't love each other, you either find a way to work it out or you don't make no sense to nobody there. You have to make a decision.
As me say, babes, me and the woman ain't nothing. I just a thing me there work out for my brethren.
and that you should have met me know from the moment I walk in, make me know.
Yeah, but you don't even give me a chance if you explain nothing to you, you just start, carry on.
So no, I can't make it work, man. You love him?
Them I must love my man.
And you love her?
Oh, yeah, of course, me love her.
So I must can't make it work. If I can't make it work, I just let it. Because I make it work.
Take it for granted. Good man, not yet in
Later, Sean.
If you were mine, I'd be around all the time. Dash your distress and spend some quality time. Me not lying, me love the way your body design. Run ready, boy, where you waste your time. If you were mine, I'd be around all the time. Dash your distress and spend some quality time. Me not lying, me love the way your body design. Run ready, boy, where you waste your time. In this crazy world, no things are gone. You keep on getting hurt and keep
Tell me, say,
going on.
you see a chat to a man out the road on this other day.
Me? What kind of man me chat out the road?
You tell me, say, you see a chat to a man in a one blue shirt and turn up down there so long, you see now over plaza, watch you know. So long over there chat to. What kind of style that?
The man just asked me which part me spot house there. So
Yo,
me
my
just-
girl, me tell you to stop ramp with me now. Me tell you to stop ramp with me now, my girl. I'm here. Jesus Christ!
Kill him now, sister, you kill him. Me know so they sing you did that me no man, me know no man. Oh, you kill him. Oh, you kill him. Drink some. Alright. Take time.
Right, baby?
Sing good morning.
Boy, tired. Sorry if you have food or something, you know? Where we put that next? Oh, here? Let's put this up there. Ah!
That you forget. You think me didn't see you down the road a while ago? I chat to woman, you not see me but miss you. Where you and shit inna? Tell me right now.
You don't see how me attack down there?
Tell me right now or I'm burn you again.
You don't see who me attack down there?
Who you there chat to?
Look like you're mad smart, you know?
What you talk about?
No, your friend, sister, down the road me see a while ago.
Which friend? Which friend you talk about? Me not understand.
Jessie, your friend, sister, Shan's sister.
Oh, okay.
And the man in the right next door, the same man in the death.
True, me did that far still, me didn't to see what go on, but me see her chat to the girl, so that's why I say me a bunny in your sleep. Come me put little ice on it.
Don't understand you, man. Don't understand you.
You know say I saw it go more while when my head chip.
Oh, go on, babe.
No, so I'm hungry right now.
So on the road you come from, I can never get something to eat on the road.
So back and say me?
But there at work. I think if you come from the road and you're hungry, you'll get something to eat.
My girl, I tell you I'm hungry, right? Why you give me talk? You're not supposed to go in the kitchen and go look for food.
You know, so I'm hungry too.
You need to get up and leave that and go put on the food now.
Alright, I'm gonna look for something for you to eat.
You need to get up.
Give me 5 minutes when I finish dealing with the client.
You need to do
deal
this
with an important client.
No. Get up. Yeah, get out the hand from one day, you know. I slam door in my face. You just slam door for me? Eh?
No, it's the door slip out of my hand. The door slip out of my hand.
Turn around, can you get out the hand from one day, you know? You get out the hand from one day. No. Stop. Give me a chat here. Go like you want me. I have to talk to you. You hear me tell you? You hear me tell you? Girl, let's have a cookie food with you. No.
I'm done.
Yes.
So me just cut my finger on the knife.
You do?
I just cut my finger a while ago. You have to go find me the hospital and go get some stitches.
No, man, I want to bust some feet, man. Go down there yourself. Not bust some feet. Right on my home.
You not come with me?
No, man, I'm going to some place with the blood. Hurry up and come to that place now. Sure. Nah, some damn place. Watch out. No, but I blood up your room, now. I'm a white Air Force, man. Man, I make your blood touch my white Air Force.
The one to your hand. You just cut it on the knife a while ago, man. It's alright. I'm just gonna get some stitches done.
No, man. Let me see it.
It's alright, man. It's alright.
So-
I just a little cut. May I get us some stitches done at clinic
No,
and come back?
everything good, man.
Alright.
Girl, you know what say? I be things are going. Me hear some rumors are going, you know. So here what? Me see your your friend a pass and he hand cut and a pay blood like I man beat it, but he tell me say I cooking when he cook and he hand cut. That never look so. So find out a what so me can hear because when me they try to look in, want me look in my shiffy and then you know and then Shani are sitting. Something not right. You understand? All this morning me I hear someone sitting girl. Pick up the phone. Make sure you call me ASAP with good news too. Alright?
What time now?
Well, I sleep in a day now, you feel more tired, you know.
What
Well,
time
I don't
now?
want to sit in an idea. Can I do something?
I want to do an idea.
The right thing.
The right thing? Alright, I'm gonna check my phone and then come back on LinkedIn. So I'm going to
Received today at 1:10 p.m. To replay, press 1. To hear the caller's number, press 2.
Girl, you know what? A few things are going on. Me, some rumors are going on. You hear what? If your friend a pass and he hand cut on a paper like I man beat it, but he tell me say I cook when he cook and he hand cut. That never looks so. So find out a what so me can hear because I want me to try to look in. I want me to look in my shitty and the stuff and the shiny ass thing. Something not right. You understand? All this morning me I hear some sitting girl. Pick up the phone. Make sure you call me ASAP with good news too. Alright?
Received today at
Babes, you hear the conversation a while ago. So that means that whatever we have to do, I have to go stay till later. Right now. Me I go check for Shan. Little bit before I would have loved to. But me have to go make sure that she alright. Me hear her hand cut up and a bleed. I want to see what going right there because I don't trust that boy.
Alright.
So, little more.
Tori.
Where go on?
Tori not there.
No, she's not there. You can't come in though. You know what I usually she can look for?
Eh.
Yeah.
Why?
So you get cut up on or something, but you're not looking to cut up bad.
I just couple stitches me get tonight. I have to go to the doctor a while ago because I cut up some things in the kitchen and the knife slip, you know.
But this about me here though, I get a different room. I hear though, I get beaten though. I don't understand.
Boy, fire. Boy.
Boy, I don't understand what a boy say a while ago.
And then now beating me get cut up my hand still. I did really in the kitchen me did that, but boy don't they not treat me right same way.
Nice man like you and treat the good, not sound good.
Not sound good at all, but a long time with there now, you know, kinda not so easy to get up and left.
Why? That life is not normal. Because that's similar situation with your friend still. We meet her, I never know say she was this abusive person. But the love me have for her still make me bypass most of the things them. Because for my foot, I 10 stitches me get panina and she do it, you know.
Yeah, tell me say.
Yeah man, 10 stitches me get man for my foot.
I didn't know say anything there
Yeah,
going
man.
down here either.
I've since recently me get one stab in my foot or so. You understand? All of me still. Yeah man, get a stab right or so. I 10 stitches me get one foot what do you know? You know what I mean?
Boy. And what we are going to do, we have to go find a way to come out of them situation.
Why? Easy to say, but
it's not so easy to do.
Not easy to do. You know what I mean?
I know, because a long time now we sit down in it and you know, I can't too. I have to put my best face forward, you know, and everybody won't really want in my business.
It's kind of tricky for you though. I'm see on the balance cut. We are soft though.
Take time, man. It hurt, man. It take time.
We are soft though.
What kind of thing you're going with? You know, my hand wiggle left for you.
No, my life is like this though, you know.
I want the same thing.
Cause why I never meet you first instead of your friend? Because your personality is more loving and I don't think you'd have hurt me in no way, you know?
I don't think you'd have hurt me either, you know. But life stay how it stay, not true. And with the wish part with them, you know.
So I think this could be our investment. It's like putting our love in our liquor investments at all times. You can go and withdraw there. It never makes sense to you, but I think it does make sense internationally to the world. What do you think?
It sounds good, yes. But you know, we can't go stop to this. Because I really like him. I really like you.
Just not talking nicely, but nobody know though.
Shan, I want go on. I want my friend there. I want me here to go on today. Talk, I want go on.
So you just run up in that place, sir.
I want me here so she up on road today with blood on her hand, her whole hand, I'll chop off and thing and you there so sit down and watch TV. I want that about. What go on?
Your friend too soft. Sleep me in my ball. Out done. I'm going in the kitchen, one little cut on your finger, you know. I said this girl come like you are mad somebody. Let me have to get up. Go look at him. I want to follow him to the doctor. I'm wake up hungry too, you know. So she told me, say, go on the doctor by yourself. Wish your friend did stay like you. Damn little machete, you know them something that turned me on, man.
I them thought they really come give me now all time. Me have a feeling say still you rough her up some of them times, you know. I don't like that, you know.
No man, not like somebody rough
and
up
my
people.
friend that, you know, if it can rough up anybody else, you know, but not my friend, you know.
Like somebody rough up people because you're nice. Not rough you.
Easy, you know, Alton. Mine, you know, it just move too rough sometimes.
No man, we're not rough. We don't look rough. I'm a good boy.
Well, some people might can't handle the roughness still, but...
And I want a girl like you, but if you have from a long time, you know. Shouldn't even David shot it up. She's too soft for me.
You know, still, I always look on you still and like a little roughness still, but Shan can't handle it.
You like it rough?
Just a little.
Alton, baby. I want one.
Nothing now go on, babes. May I come? May I come?
So you have to open the door for me. Open up the door, man.
Hold on now. There's something behind the door.
So what kind of something behind the door? Move it, man.
Babes.
I don't know what's going on in there.
Nothing not go on.
Alton. So why you lock the door? Alton.
We're not done the place so far.
So what is so me can lock up house, so me can lock up door.
Me just come in and just have a shower and come in and tired.
Me not like them things here, you know, cause me want to bed.
You
Me
wanna
just
go-
a come from the doctor.
Alright, go and go bed now. Sorry.
Pass me towel.
Towel.
Guy come give me.
Me so carry come. Go on, me so carry come.
God, you're dangerous. God, you're too dangerous. I gave love and you gave hate in return. Next time I breathe a pretty girl, at least my lesson I will learn. Pretty face with the devilish mentality. I'm telling you, it's like it's a fatality. I can't breathe.
Hello?
Fire.
What going, babe?
Me there. Me in a bed, you know, me home alone. Me not feel too well. You know, feel like I could have used some vitamin D.
What's wrong with you?
Feel like I could have used some vitamin D, man.
What part of your people them that do?
In Ghana road from evening, in Ghana have a drink with him friend them, and I think he might come back for now.
But I don't like trouble so many times, you know.
Forward, man. Forward quick before he come back.
Alright. You know, so outside me they can hear the thing them in the background. Woman in the house that when I want spliffy, but I guess she wants some rum off of the road. So I'm going to tell her, say, I get some rum for her still. You know what I mean? I just come check you.
Yeah, man, the way you have to do forward.
Alright, so just let me do it. I'm going to come right and I'm going to want to time and just jump in, is it?
Alright. The door open, man.
Alright.
Kinda easy though.
1 hour.
1 whole hour. You want to stay so all night.
What's the weather?
You have to work and come out before and that come back.
Go to sleep and done.
If Anton ever come home before you left, you know, so you can't go nowhere because I'm a whole like feeling.
Shine!
Yes?
Shine!
In a room.
Shine!
Yes? They put on the water.
I'll put down the kettle.
look like that.
I don't feel good. Because I'm not feel good for evening, but now the business what I run drinking. Going in my bed.
You know, so I have to drink my tea before I go to bed.
The tea already there on the fire, man. Going in my bed.
I still feel warm.
Alton.
Yeah,
here.
so rough.
Sit here.
What is
Remember, some of you.
How did that snore?
What do you mean I want to snore? I don't mean I place a snore. I mean I snore. Me can't even do nothing in that place. Every time I get up here. Me near a snore, man. Me near a snore. Go on back go sleep.
Say I behave so far. Me not
I mean how me a behave. Me can't do nothing. Me can't even snore 2 times in that place before you want to beat me. I beat you want to beat me?
You like me want to beat you?
Yes! I made this snore. Cha. It's alright, man. I mean they snore.
But we never hear snoring.
I snore all the while. If you hear me snore if you're asleep.
Hungry, you know.
It's alright.
Don't like it, you know.
Gone in my kitchen. Never tell us never wake up the yard and make it open the front door.
Do it fast. You want to wait longer, man. Want to wait for me.
Alright, make it up. Alton. I'm gonna wake up the yard. Give me a key.
Break up the yard.
Yeah. You see heap of leaf way in the yard. I'm gonna rake you up before neighborhood wake up.
So I lock up the door for?
Mega change. Mega change, man. Hold on. And clean up your house. Where shoes? What's in these shoes and when you come home? Me I come, me go for key.
man. Sure.
Me a come, hold on now.
Yeah, lock up a blasted place,
I
fuck.
throw it out there so make a letter in.
Sure.
No, around there, we throw it in.
Girl, I hear me call you. How you run up and down about the place, so?
I key me go for you know say Alton have the whole I key them.
Anyways, I be running up and down me I do from morning, you know. From last night, the boy fire no come home, you know. Me send him to go buy 1 flask of rum shan, and all now me can't see him. Me there I think a bag of things. Me I wonder if somebody take him and fling him in a ditch or something. Cause you know a boy, sir. But one thing for sure, me know no. Morning, Alton. Me send the boy to buy 1 flask of rum, you know. And all now me can't see him. From last night till now.
So I don't supposed to come look.
Just stay out of this now. My friend me I talk to right now, you know. Me just ask her if she see him.
So we have man to keep down and we don't keep man down.
As me say, and you me I talk to. So Shan, me go look down the road right now and see if me see him and then me make you know what's going on.
Alright, let me know what's going on. Let me know if I find him.
I like people me answer early next time.
Tell me if you find him. Tell me if you find him. It's alright. It's alright.
Cause
why you have to be so disrespectful to my friends them?
So why you have me come and make your place so early?
She never did ask you anything.
I'm not even drink tea yet.
So I'm not saying in the kitchen and
lock
fry
the door behind you.
I'm not saying in the kitchen and fry dumpling. What do you mean by in drink tea? You fry dumpling and you drink tea?
You love how give me do I might hear this in your face too.
right now me don't want to hear that. After me on the pan road I walk and look for you.
What are you looking for?
All about the whole road. The whole road, everybody had me a check for you.
Me get
This is
locked
why
up.
you're there
You
for
been
you.
on station? Me get locked up last night. Look at your boss your brain, baby.
So write down some ideas, you know. I want to start up something soon.
You know, it's a work me I go on still, you know.
So, how come you just know about that?
Well, I found what they she did tell me about work, but you see me as a man, when I talk, me then I talking to people, you know me stay. So, she just confirm and they have the money now to pay, so we just take clear some all that I want bad through. But marry, you know marry up here, son. I'll be
You
the
know,
one
marry,
yeah, man.
but you know something like a sudden business. You need to talk to me.
Alright, what you want me to do? You want me to tell you to keep me work there, make somebody go and do it?
I not say no still, I not say no.
Because we need money.
We do,
Yeah.
we do. Fine, I not argue.
So you could choose to be meet yourself.
Come in, man, and talk. Yeah. But me I say no. But they want a good platform now. So me know say me have her look suspicious. She watch me. You know, so she try to figure me out, but me she kinda lock down when I secret them. She go come over and say no, come check because she watch me. They have everything on profile, but she's very smart. She's very secretive. Even in her sleep, me try to ask her question when she asleep and she still not really give me nothing. But no worry self, me dep on the case. You understand what I mean? So what me I do now, me I test her now.
Yeah.
So if she really into me so much, she go come check me yes sir, by the next half an hour. You understand? So we just answer something fast, but I fast me with you and leave the place before she fall out.
Yeah, but hear me I say no, me go country, now go there for some days, just go deal with brother burial, you see me? So me go make my boyfriend deal with you, any little information I pass on to him, just make him get him, because remember saying I want undercover police.
Right.
So me will link, you see me? Because no one she can catch me.
Alright, so I go and pretend because I'm a friend here, you know. So I pretend like I work here.
So just do what you're supposed to do for me, and me do what I'm supposed to do for you, you see me? Nobody will get anything, you see me? So,
but I'm on the case though.
Yeah man.
Yeah man, I will
thanks, you see me?
Yeah man, more fun than what.
Yeah man, bless up.
Alright. Oh, go on.
You're there on it, man.
Yeah, man.
You know, when I do like our conversation go down, so I just say I walk out look and see if everything checks out.
You know,
You know?
I just my time not to trust the boy, you know.
Can't too trust man them way there, you know. I don't, so just have to make sure say everything good. I'm happy if you say, yes, you're really this there. So you take a break, you know?
Yeah, man, I'm gonna try to move out. So I'm most likely move out already, you know, but just step on the last piece. I try to dig up the, you know. Hard work, sir. You know, easy, you know?
You don't know. I think do a little thing right now. Miss Marie gone down the road, you know. I see her when I come home.
Yes, sir. You don't understand.
Yeah, fire us. I just left my man down the road there and I have some concern about it. I know I used to you as a man do your thing fast, you understand? And I have some other case I want to clear up. You understand? How things work, there's a thing switch up, you understand? So I need the confession. But my concern is that I feel like you fall in love for a case.
I'm telling you one thing though. It's very tricky for you know. But when I say I go get the case done, it's very tricky for you. I'm not sure she do it. I don't know if I love when I have fear now, because I don't lie to you. I think I not develop a look of feelings, because it's just natural. You know what I mean? So the work is still at hand because we're not spending the money, so I get the work done. So different from that now, I need a piece of money right now to kind of seal the deal. Is that a somebody place and borrow? Right? I mean, and I use for the face card. But the somebody, now the money to give me different because I use them place.
Alright, let me get you out of the car, park up right now. So I'm going to pick you up out of the car.
Go do that then. Alright.
You know how long they are wait for you? Okay. Because you get it.
No, I'm going to feed her until this morning, so she just give me this. So tomorrow I'm just going to finish it, see it.
And you really dare come here without it?
No, by finish tomorrow I get it.
But
because
you see how,
sure.
You see how things simple, Rasta? You see how we now have to first and fight simple? You go back and get the money?
How much you want to out of it?
All right enough for me.
I'm going to work for a whole day today. You're not easy though.
Just to show you, you see how things simple. Come on, I cook some food for you already, so. Come and eat some food. Come, babes.
I'll be at Mama Beda though.
Alright. Go and go bed then and then come back for something nice. We have something nice for you.
Something nice like what?
We have some nice food for you and I'm sure you have an idea of what else. Go on and come.
Hold it down.
It's the same way how that crime done, someone want it done.
Don't move, where you go? And funny one boy. Over there, sir. Turn around. How are you? Are you a bad man in that place? Turn around there, sir, boy. Yo, turn around. Oh, this a boy you going like him bad, sir. Boy, you where you do it bang? Are you a scammer? What is? Give me this.
Take off.
Come on.
Sir.
Put your hand behind you.
Hold it.
Boy, yo. You're lucky enough.
Funny.
Lucky enough. Because jail mother send you enough. Go on now, now go, man.
Hey, Cody,
come
on now.
Area going like you know bad man. Make me see you on the road again.
Road where? Where for? Put on nothing for me, man.
Make curfew time. Take you on the road.
Yo, man, start on my bike. Left up, left up there, son. Left up, man, left up.
Shan, are you that?
Hi.
Hi.
So I saw none of the door open.
We just did running quick and fast.
I'm afraid people walking from.
Come in, man, we suddenly saw. What go on?
Good night, fire.
Morning down.
What go on?
So what, Shan?
I'm there, I'm just come off Fire Road, go take one drink down here again. You know, come with me.
And that make you look so nice.
I look nice. I feel nice, man. But I feel like, you know, could have hold on one reason.
Alright, so you hear that fire bathroom and I'll go freshen up a little bit and then we'll touch the road.
We'll go freshen up, man.
Alright.
I'm forward.
You know, easy, you know.
What go on fire?
If your eyes never chop you up now, you know, normal.
So, I wait till I say I'm nice and comfortable in the bed now. So I wait till I say you come from one night.
Last night?
Yeah.
Well, last night, you know, I tell her, I say, because I don't have a conversation until I say me I go buy some rum here. That's why I get to come over come check you.
I heard most of the story.
So, what go on now? I just tell her, I say, boy, I go, if I go buy the rum and I come back home now, my son and Bridget and give me some weed. And same time when I come with the weed now, I start the bubble and them. I start to sidestep them and run through one different lane. Never know so much police in the one place. One different jeep on the next side. So I end up running up in our next jeep and them jump in that jeep and so then go do some process. Which I see who is I. I do dash every one place and not because of the weed still, because them on process and keep me overnight. That's what I told her still.
So it sound like a me, I tell what it happens still.
Oh, I couldn't hear a laugh, so what's so funny?
No, you know what's still, I don't joke I run the still, you know, because she kind of high, you know.
Okay.
But I don't feel pleased though, I run joke with her and I laugh, but I miss out on something, we get something spicy, we say, go give me, I just there, so in my mind, I don't feel
Come on, we could touch an ice cream.
Easy yourself, no? Me no want you to left your yard at all, you know. Never go on the road.
I touch road too.
You can't touch no road in this fire. No bother with it. No bother with it. So
Oh no, I can't only come back.
yeah, if you ever touch the road and I come back and I say yeah. If you ever touch the road. I left right now. Come on, Chan.
Bye fire. I don't feel too well, you know. I'm going out the road, gonna have a drink. But leave some food on the stove for you. It can heat you up if you get hungry.
If you know what you know, you better come in your yard before I go to my bed. I might lock you out before 9 night or 2, so stay there boy there around here. You better make sure so you come in your yard before I go to my bed. Or you go on the road, like me send you on the road. You wait till you come here. Hello, baby. I go on it other day and a little piece of something really nice, you know, I'm not tell you lie. I enjoy myself. I know you enjoy yourself too. But anyways, I want to see, you know, I think go playing the little Rasta here again. Just link me back when I get this.
I'm left in phone. What is now jam no do and
Story. Other day is sex, you know, man. I tell you, man, it's sex nice, you know. I mean, I think about the sex from when, you know, man. You see me? I know when we can link up back again.
no, it's not Savala. I couldn't remember my name in Savala, really.
Yo, Tori. Other day is sex, you know, man. I tell you, man, it's sex nice, you know. I mean, I think about the sex from when, you know, man. You see me? I know when we can link up back again. Completely here. The sexy Rasta Tory. But anyways. Yeah, go on. No, it's just me, no. They can't mad me. They can't mad me. No, sorry, my partner said it. Come on, you have to ask him about your phone. No stress I out. Can't stress I. No stress, Jaja. No stress. No stress, boy, no stress. A lot of love you, no, boy. No stress. No stress, though. No, John, no stress tonight. It's LPI.
So, how you not come in our bed last night?
No, I just pass it to some name, but I get up. Alright?
Alright, man. So,
You always say you want to do something special. Just find a piece of rope or can do the thing you say you want to do.
no, sir, I'm not up on that right now. I still feel drunk from last night.
Cool, man.
How about that fire?
No, man. You know, baby. Want to get something special.
No bother with that man fire. I'm not up on that right now. I still feel a little drunk.
Just relax, man. There's some left on idea them now.
Fire?
Not for that pull, man, because they rope the cow them is the anti.
Oh, what is fire?
I define
Oh,
now.
what is?
Calm down. I'm taking back control of my life, you know what I mean?
Control?
Taking back control. Last night, while I was here, you said not to go anywhere. You left your phone and a message come in.
I'm not telling you to touch my phone.
Listen.
I don't want to hear nothing about that.
You know what about that? I left you now.
Which left you talk about, Rasta? Which
I left
you
you.
talk about?
Alright.
And me and you alone there, sir, you know? You see any other man there, sir? You see any other man there, sir? Me don't want to hear nothing on the phone.
Alright, that's
Me don't want to
alright.
hear nothing on the phone.
Alright, Mr. Baduman. I tried to get back now and broke you up in a bunch.
Rasta, you drive.
I don't care now.
Pull them here right now, because you don't want to see what's going to happen. Pull this right now.
I have go down the road and send some stack here for you. That me I tell you.
I must joke you make. Because my brother already know Rasta. My brother already know what's going on in a Rasta.
Your brother is soft soap, man.
That's what I'm going to say. Rasta, you don't know what you do. You don't know what you do. And what you think say happened to my ex-Rasta? You feel like say him out there and live no life? And my brother killed that. That a rotten right now and that over so right now. So same thing I gonna happen to you, Rasta.
No, I'm glad I said that.
Same.
What you know? Cock mouth kill cock. I hear everything. You have your brother? No, they have a case, they can't lock him up now. So must who go back, you know, when them gone to prison. Because it's a while ago, you know, the investigation can start, you know. So I'm call the police right now, I contact them and tell them, say, you make your brother kill. So you are going to prison too. So continue.
But my brother
So, any more secret you have to tell me.
You feel bad, not true?
I go drink, so
take
man.
your last breath and go on, because you're dead, Rasta.
Go kill yourself.
Dead, the boy, dead. And him didn't even know.
Hello. Yeah man, me there up on the black man, sit down and go and hold a meds man. You know so me buy up the black them door. And I want to start build up your house and all one thing and thing. So you want to send me some money in the dog, cause cement up buy and steel up buy and steel.
See boy over there so. See boy over there so. Boy they over there so. See boy there. Boy that. See boy.
Hold on man. Hold on.
Turn up boy. Turn up. Up. And behind you. Shut up. Shut up.
Yo, how go on brother? Yo. Me hold on man. Yo, me hold on man. I want to arrest man say yo. See me a business man.
Yo, turn up.
See me a business man. A business me do.
Turn up boy.
You know see. Yo, how they go on brother? How they go on man?
Come here.
Yo, move. Wait, hold on.
I don't know me. I was gonna put me in jail, me come up back. I was gonna put me in jail, me come up back.
Yo boy, where your friend? What you mean you don't know where your friend there?
Listen, you can't give me a deal. I'm telling you what there, but if you can't give me something, nothing.
Oi, shut up mouth. Listen when me talk after me done, then you can start talking. You want to tell you?
Yo, hear me answer. Better you give that youth there, you know. You want to live a jail youth? You know what going around there, sir? Down them boy, they glad to see around there, you know. Hear me answer. I can tell which part of friend and work out man like a plea deal for you. And enough body there on that them on there. You see me? You want to go to jail for all of them body there?
No, officer.
So I can tell which part in there, which part in there talk to me.
Yo, you know that corner shop around there, saying officer. Left him around there every day around there, boy, they are brown.
I just pass around a corner shop, you know. Make sure I say no nonsense and tell me, you know.
Boy, around that shop.
Yo, me a call mad dog a while ago.
Give me food, yeah man. Long run short, yeah.
How old?
Never know so that dog going, eh? Handcuff him.
Put your hand behind you, boy.
Who no?
Long run. Yo, we soon find out, man.
Hold on, Bob.
Tori. I want to Shan, try boss it a million times.
Tori, come on.
I goat rope this in a Shan. The boy tie me up like a goat.
Tori, come on.
I'm so tired of trying bossy rope, Shan.
I say me I go through the same thing, yes.
Same thing where I go through, my friend. The boy fire get mad.
Same thing, I know what me I go through. Come on.
Thank you for tuning in to Jamaican TV. I am Tracy and Blair, and these are our news and reviews. Devon Crackers, aka Brogard, and Henry Crooks, otherwise known as Mad Dog, they were arrested in connection to the murder of Mr. Michael Blacks, who was found hanging in his grandmother's backyard. He was left there as a cover-up for suicide, which is actually a homicide. Miss Tori Crackers is still on the run. If anyone has seen Miss Crackers, please contact the nearest police station.
Fire.
Yeah, Bob.
You know, some minutes I come from down your house and Tori tie up down there. Tell me, say, are you tired up? How are you going?
Yeah, man, we have to tire up, man, because last night after you and I go out and she left out of the yard, right?
Yeah.
Somehow she left her phone in the settee. I did not sleep and I read the phone ring up. I'm checking the message coming. Now for your boyfriend, I say most time them have sex from when and this and one bag or something.
My boyfriend?
The grievance when me wake up this morning, last time I go to bed, I tell you say, I'm trying to say something wicked to her. I just wake up in my mind, but just mind just change. So that the ultimate feature, but just wait, but just do, and then but just cut. But just done it there.
Tell me, say, Tori and Alton are sleep together. Hurry up and come on, cause me sell the place. The people are come look for it.
You know, I sell no place.
Hurry up and come, man, cause them a come.
You better wait till me come here. Sean? Sean? Sean?
Don't move, boy. I had to murder weapon. Yo, where are the cup there? Turn around. Where are you to? Put down company, boy.
Officer, I don't do nothing, you know. But just come in here, and see this. Officer, I never do nothing.
Tell the judge that. Turn around, boy.
What I lock me for? Eh?
Tell the murder weapon, yeah.
What you have a right to remain silent.
After you tell the handcuff by me and tell me that.
Shut up.
My boyfriend tried to kill me. My name's Sean and I'm there Namron Road.
Alright, ma'am, can you please give us a contact number in case the call gets disconnected?
Me there Namron Road and my tried to kill me. Hurry up and come. Help.
Right, ma'am, help is on the way, but try and keep the line connected.
Bunny down to the ground. Richard Brooklyn, Jamie Webb.
It's Curious King, you know what I mean?